Hello everyone and thank you for joining us. Today I'm excited to showcase the DMM4500PV, essentially a Bluetooth digital multimeter tailored for industrial, HVAC and solar applications. This versatile instrument is designed to meet all your measurement needs with unmatched precision. One of its key features is its high frequency rejection capability, which ensures accurate readings even in electrically noisy environments. Additionally, the low impedance function helps prevent false readings caused by ghost voltages, giving you reliable data every time. The auto volt feature is a real time saver as it automatically selects between AC and DC voltage, eliminating the need for manual adjustments. For those who require detailed data tracking, this multimeter offers extensive data logging and manual save options, allowing you to save up to 4,000 records. Another practical feature is the segmented battery capacity indicator, which keeps you informed about the battery level at all times. This way you can avoid unexpected power shortages during important measurements. If you're seeking a high quality, multifunctional and user-friendly digital multimeter, this tool here is an outstanding choice. That's it for today, guys. Stay safe and thank you for watching.